Here are a few easy and tasty sweet potato, shakar candy recipes. You can choose according to your taste. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Glowing star 1, boiled sweet potato, healthy and simple. Ingredients: sweet potatoes 2. Black salt to taste. Lemon juice 1 tsp. Chaat masala a half tsp. Method: 1. Wash sweet potatoes well. 2. Boil in water or pressure cook 2 whistles until soft. 3. Peel and cut into pieces. 4. Sprinkle black salt, chaat masala and lemon juice. 5. Serve warm. Heavy, very healthy, good for digestion. Glowing star 2, sweet potato fry crispy. Ingredients: sweet potatoes 2 sliced. Oil 2 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Red chili powder a half tsp. Turmeric a quarter tsp. Method: 1. Heat oil in a pan. 2. Add sweet potato slices. 3. Sprinkle salt, chili and turmeric. 4. Cook on low flame, flipping gently until golden and soft. Fork best as a snack or side dish. Glowing star 3, sweet potato chaat. Ingredients: boiled sweet potato 2 cubed. Yogurt a half cup. Chaat masala a half tsp. Tamarind chutney 1 tablespoon. Green chutney 1 tablespoon. Method: 1. Arrange sweet potato cubes in a bowl. 2. Add yogurt and chutneys. 3. Sprinkle chaat masala. 4. Mix lightly and serve. Face savouring food, tasty and filling snack. Glowing star 4, sweet potato halwa dessert. Ingredients: grated sweet potato 2 cups. Milk 1 cup. Sugar or jaggery a half cup. Ghee 2 tablespoon. Cardamom powder a quarter tsp. Method: 1. Heat ghee, add grated sweet potato. 2. Cook until soft. 3. Add milk and cook till thick. 4. Add sugar, jaggery and cardamom. 5. Cook till glossy and serve warm. Custard perfect winter dessert.